This is a voluntary certification scheme issued by the Department of Labor and Employment to establishments which are compliant with the minimum safety protocol that is set by the government, and the safety certificate is issued to manufacturing establishments, to utilities, and including the IT, the business process management.
This certification is really, really important for iQor. The work that we've done over the last several years to achieve this certification has been tremendous. The whole team was pulled together. The efforts that we've all made, the protocols that we've put in, the fact that everybody has pulled together and followed those protocols has been amazing. So that's how we got this certification.
We have made the right investments, like for example, putting a team in charge of contact tracing and putting a team in charge of auditing and ensuring that everyone in the company is adhering to the protocols. But above all, I also want to thank our friends from the operations team for collaborating and cooperating with us. Also from our friends from the marketing team for helping us communicate and using the right tools so that employees are aware on what we're trying to do. And also our colleagues from the IT department, because they help us automate and bring a lot of our forms and efforts to a digital format, which really helped us in HR put all of this together and achieve where we are today.
The safety seal that we just received from the Department of Labor and Employment really represents the enormous collaboration among various teams. But in reality, it's all about employees trying to make sure that they embrace this new way of doing things and coming into the office. And so, to me, these efforts really do not just reside in one team or department. It's a collaboration. It's a teamwork that is happening throughout the organization, not only here in Dasmarinas site, but obviously in all of our locations throughout the Philippines.
Thank you to everybody who participated and followed our protocols, understood why we were doing it, for the betterment of iQorians across the country and for the Philippines in general.
I would really like to thank everyone from the bottom of our hearts, for really cooperating and making sure that everyone is adhering to the protocols that we have put in place. So thank you so much, everybody.